Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Americus, local and long distance movers near me. Any move that extends above 50 miles of a distance is called a long distance move. When moving outside or into Americus, it's crucial to search for the ideal long distance moving company to avoid sad stories. A significant characteristic of the long distance move is the insurance and certification of the moving company. Professional moving corporations like 3 Movers are the right pick. We can move across the state lines without any issues from the federal or state authorities, and long distance movement is regulated by the FMCSA. And 3 Movers, or TMT, is registered and has all the required backings. With the use of our spacious trucks, relocating your property safely is guaranteed. In negotiation with long distance moves, a local move is within the borders of the state. 3 Movers can serve you fast and efficiently, whether you're moving to the next street or town. A DIY move might seem perfect for this type of move, but it's easy to lose items or track of time while doing it yourself. Meanwhile, at 3 Movers, you can access your local moving services at $30 to $40 every hour while being treated like royalty. The slated charge is budget friendly, our customers matter to us, and that's why we have made ourselves accessible 24/7 to take on your moving needs. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Americus moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.